You can examine ingested time series metrics from the Sources browser and from the Metrics browser. To investigate based on the sources or applications that are reporting data, click Browse followed by Sources. Then pick Recent Metrics to show sources that sent metrics in the last 2 days. You could filter further by integration, tag path, or tag, but let's just select a source for now. Now you can examine the point rate, look at alerts, and select on one or more metrics to view a chart for each metric. You can click each chart to have a closer look at that metric. If you prefer to investigate the reported metrics rather than reporting sources or applications, click Browse followed by Metrics. Click on the folder icons to drill down. When you arrive at a metric, click Info to see associated sources and when they last reported. At any place in the hierarchy, you can create a chart or dashboard from the data and examine them further.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.